Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're checking out what I consider the best takeout boxes for food, the LITOPAK 50-pack 27 ounces takeout food containers. If you want convenient, reliable, and mess-free containers for meals, this one deserves your attention. Right off the bat, you get 50 sturdy to-go boxes, each with a 27-ounce capacity, enough for sandwiches, salads, fries, wings, desserts, or full meals. That makes this pack a great value if you're catering, packing lunches, or running a small food business. One of the biggest advantages is that these containers are made from craft paper with a grease and leak-resistant interior coating. That means oily or saucy foods stay where they belong, inside the box, with minimal risk of seepage, so you don't have to worry about messy carry-outs. Another practical aspect is their integrated design. Each box includes a secure pull-tab locking lid. This helps lock in freshness and keeps food from spilling during transit, which is perfect for home meal prep, takeout delivery, picnics, or office lunches. They're also stackable, which simplifies storage and transport. For busy kitchens or delivery services, this compactness is a big plus. You can store a lot without wasting space. Because they're disposable, you eliminate the hassle of dishwashing. Use them, toss them or recycle or compost if accepted, and move on. Ideal for single-use convenience if you don't want to deal with cleanup after every meal. That said, they aren't ideal for very heavy or broth-heavy dishes, and you may want a more rigid container if you frequently transport liquid-heavy meals. Also, they may not be the best long-term storage solution. So if you want a dependable, affordable, easy-to-store option for takeout meals, lunches, or catering needs, whether at home or for a small food business, the LITOPAK 27 ounces takeout boxes stand out as a solid choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews.